Hello everybody. Today we will be learning he. He means to. He is referred to as boys or men, as well as to is referred to as boys and men. He is a boy. तो एक चढो असा. He is तो, is असा, a is एक आणि boy is चढो. He is a man. तो एक दालो असा. He is तो, is असा, a is एक and man is दालो. He is happy. तो खुश असा. He is तो, is असा, happy is खुश. तो खुश असा. He is sad. तो दुखी असा. He is तो, is असा, sad दुखी. He is sad. तो दुखी असा. He is strong. तो बलिष्ठ असा. He is तो, is असा, strong is बलिष्ठ. तो बलिष्ठ असा. He is tall. तो उंच असा. He is तो, is असा, tall is उंच. तो उंच असा. He is short. तो गिड्डो असा. He is तो, is असा and short is गिड्डो. तो गिड्डो असा. He is fat. तो मोठो असा. He is तो, is असा and fat is मोठो. तो मोठो असा. He is thin. तो बारीक असा. He is तो, is असा and thin is बारीक. तो बारीक असा. He is tired. तो फुरो जाल्लो असा. He is तो, is असा and tired is फुरो जालो. तो फुरो जालो असा. He is thirsty. तो तानेलो असा. He is तो, is असा and thirsty is तानेलो. तो तानेलो असा. He is hungry. तो भुकेलो असा. He is तो, is असा and hungry is भुकेलो. तो भुकेलो असा. He wakes up early. तो बग्गी उट्टा. He is तो, wakes up is उट्टा and early is बग्गी. तो बग्गी उट्टा. He goes to school. तो शाळेक वयता. He is तो, goes is वयता and to school means शाळेक. तो शाळेक वयता. He goes to work. तो कामाक वयता. He is तो, goes is वयता and to work means कामाक. तो कामाक वयता. He plays. तो खेळटा. He is तो, plays is खेळटा. तो खेळटा. He studies. तो शिकता. He is तो and studies is शिकता. He studies means तो शिकता. He is studying. तो अभ्यास करता. He is तो, is असा, studying is अभ्यास करता. तो अभ्यास करता. He eats food. तो जेवता. He is तो, eats food is जेवता. He eats food. तो जेवता. He drinks water. तो उदाक पिता. He is तो water means उदाक and drinks means पिता. तो उदाक पिता. He sleeps. तो नित्ता. He is तो and sleeps is नित्ता. He sleeps. तो नित्ता.